Om Shri Manjunatheshwaraya Namaha. Warm wishes to everyone. SDM College of Naturopathy and Yogic Science, first of its kind in the country, established by the Dr. Shri Virendra Egdeji, Dharmadhikari of Shri Kshetra Dharmasthala in 1989, made a small attempt to guide the common man in this crisis of corona infection regarding the importance of juice therapy to improve immunity of the people at large. According to the WHO, health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being in which disease and infirmity are absent. Health and immunity are interlinked. Once immunity is lost, health deteriorates. Immunity is the balanced state of all multicellular organisms having adequate biological defense to fight infection, disease or other unwanted biological invasions. We human beings are most susceptible host for the virus, bacteria and other organism which hampers well-being of individual. Host immune response to virus are essential for viral clearance, clinical recovery and establishment of long-term immunity. Coronavirus disease, so-called COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. The virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes or exhales. These droplets are too heavy to hang in air and quickly fall on the floor or surface. People can be infected by inhaling the virus if you are within the close proximity of someone who has COVID-19 or by touching a contaminated surface and then by touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Most people who fall in sick with COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms, maybe due to deprivation in the host immunity. Here we would like to share some health information based on Yoga and Naturopathy system of medicine to combat newly emerged communicable disease which broadcast all over the world and as well as ruled social media.
When human being is created in this world, God kept in the body and mind same amount of the immunity. So immunity means the fighting power or the defense power against any diseases, like defense of the country. So like that defense power is inbuilt in everybody's body. So what happened now is, because of this stress as well as wrong food habits, faulty habits and because of the luxurious lifestyle, this immunity of the body has come down. So especially against the coronavirus disease today, so to improve the immunity, we have prepared the nutrition module which can help the people of the immunity of the people. So like that we prepared the 7 juices at the 7 days. So like that each day, if you are practicing one juice, if you are taking one juice, so in a week together, 7 days, 7 juices if you are consuming, definitely your immunity power will going to increase, so that you can have the prevention against this horrible viral disease, so that you can prevent it, you can have total strength against the defense against this kind of problem. So on that basis we have prepared the module, so that module will be demonstrated in front of you, so that if you can practice at the home daily, you can build up the proper immunity in your body, so that you can prevent all these infections in a right manner.
This pandemic disease took lives of many, causing fear of death among the society. This creates high stress leading to deprivation in the immune system, which made a platform for the disease to grow. Naturopathy is a system of man building in harmony with the constructive principles of nature on physical, mental, moral and spiritual planes of living. It is the holistic method of healing body by itself. According to the naturopathy diet principle, food is a medicine. We are familiar with the saying that we are what we eat. So it's ideal to think twice before we consume. Juice therapy is one of the treatment modality in naturopathy medicine. Juicing increases the amount of raw food we consume and supplies the body with more energy, which boosts the immune system and aids the body cleansing process. Fruits and vegetable juices are abundant source of all the essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, proteins and carbohydrates. Now we are here to introduce some commonly available fruit and vegetable juices to boost immunity in a simpler way. Under the guidance of Dr. Prashant Shetty, Principal of SDM College of Naturopathy and Yogic Science, and dietitian Ajit and team of doctors from the Department of Diet and Nutrition made a protocol based on research evidence of properties of fruits and vegetables. Now the team is ready with the 7 therapeutic juices for 7 days of the week. For the day 1, Monday, we are introducing lemon honey juice. Irrespective of country of origin and varieties, lemons are available all over the seasons of the year. Now we are ahead for the preparation of lemon honey juice. Ingredients required for the preparation: half lemon, 2 tablespoons of honey, a pinch of cardamom. Method of preparation: squeeze half lemon, add 2 tablespoons of honey into it, pour 250 ml of fresh water into it, then add 1 pinch of cardamom into this, stir it well. Now lemon honey juice is ready to serve. Benefits of lemon honey juice. Lemon honey juice contains vitamin C, which is a component called ascorbic acid, which acts as an anti-inflammatory and fight against bacteria, virus and other microbes. Vitamin C protects tissues and enhances the immune response. Vitamin C helps to reduce the risk of infection and faster recovery. Honey consists of vitamin, especially B complex and vitamin C, along with lots of minerals. Honey have an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property, hence inflammatory process and even cardiovascular process can be well maintained. Cardamom is a spice used for cooking and as well as medicine. It has an anti-inflammatory property and helps to improve inflammatory conditions. Combination of lemon, honey and cardamom are rich in anti-inflammatory property, hence it boosts immunity. 250 ml of lemon honey juice gives 30 kilocalories. Indications for the lemon honey juice are cardiovascular diseases and cholesterol. Contraindications for lemon honey juice: diabetes mellitus and gastritis. Lemon honey juice, which is a combination of lemon, honey and cardamom, are rich in anti-inflammatory property and it boosts the immunity. Presently, this lemon honey juice is highly beneficial for treating respiratory issues and COVID-19.